Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can work out a loan repayment using the PMT function. So on the screen, I'm going to type some labels: rate, term, and loan. And then I want to know what the payment is going to be on this loan. So rate, I'll go for 10%. Term, I'll go for 300 months. Loan, I'll say 50,000. And I want to know what the payment is going to be. So I just need to make that into money. So that's 50,000. Now the PMT function will work this out for me. Let's try this. So equals PMT, open the bracket. It wants to know the rate, so the rate is 10%. Now I have to divide that by 12. Of course, it will give me an annual figure if I don't, comma. Now it wants to know the number of payments, which is 300. I've called it term, comma. Now it wants to know the actual value, the present value of the loan, which is 50,000. The rest of it is optional. So I'll just close a bracket on that and then click the tick, and it comes up with £454.35. Now if I put that to 0 for a minute, and I'll do a little bit of maths just to double check this. If I go equals that times that, it should be the same amount, 50,000. So now you can see by changing the percent how that's going to impact what you actually pay back. So 1%, 2% soon adds up, and then if you get to sort of 5%, the amount over 300 payments, which is 25 years, is off the planet. 50,000 borrowed, 87,000 paid back. 10% that started off with is ridiculous amount. So the average mortgage at the moment in the UK is 4%. So you're still paying quite a big chunk over what you borrowed. And when I bought my house, it was 7%. So that's how much extra I would have paid. My house actually was, when I first bought it in 1995, £46,000. So I would have ended up paying more than double, just more than double on that. Anyhow, that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use your PMT function to work out a loan repayment. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.